the People versus Colette Jackanow. Ticket
Yes.
number Z8080341, count one, operating while visibly impaired. We are here for a review hearing. Good morning. Please say your names to the record, starting with Probation Officer Brimage.
Colette Diacono.
Go ahead, Probation Officer.
Still can't hear.
Oh, I don't think we can hear you.
You can't hear me, I'll come to the court.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Rosie.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Dackenow. This is a review.
Brimage, you turned your video off and you are muted.
No, that's not me.
Ms. Dackenow, you're good. Just stay quiet for a minute until the court calls on you.
Officer Brimage, okay. I don't know what happened to her. We might have to recall this. Officer Brimage, you turned your video off and you're muted. Okay, we'll recall it.
Okay.
Oh, she's here. Okay, I'm like, what happened?
Mr. Rodriguez, I don't know the other person.
Okay. Oh, you're not for Jackanow?
No.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Who's she for? Because there were some other reviews.
We'll recall it. Right, I thought she was, is she on probation?
Your Honor, Mr. Dackenow is on probation. Well, you want to wait for probation, right? I mean,
Yeah,
I can find out where a probation officer is, I'll go look in the system.
okay, we'll find out and then we'll recall it.
Okay.
okay,
All
thank
right.
you.
How about you're ready on Rodney Raeigen?
Yes.
Yes.
People versus Rodney Raeigen, ticket number 184-01901. Count one, failed to display valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Raines. Say your name, sir.
I'm back to my camera. Rodney Raines.
Your Honor, Mr. Raines wants to avail himself of the recommendation.
Your hand, Mr. Raeigen.
Hello.
Raeigen, raise your right. All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down, keep your voice up, sir. You had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 17, 2018 at 4:40 p.m. on that date and time where you at 7 Mile and Fleming in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
You drive your 2001 Chevrolet vehicle,
Correct.
and did you fail to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person?
Yes.
All right, you satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
Court's officer satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Raines, can you have this fine paid by January 3rd?
Yes.
Do you have any questions, sir?
Nope. No, I do
We're
not.
all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mhm.
All right, this is the People versus Deani Duran, ticket number B50090321. Bulk Foods Meat Establishment failure to obtain license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Duran.
Diony Duran.
Your Honor, at this time, my client is entering a plea of not guilty and requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Duran. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
I would like to prefer a jury trial.
You want a jury trial?
Yes.
Okay, are you gonna retain your own attorney, sir?
I do not have an attorney.
Want an attorney appointed to you?
Yes, please.
And hopefully you have to apply for that, and it has to be approved. What we'll do is we'll set it for a jury trial on February 1st. Enough time, or should I do it?
Can you just make a jury pre-trial, Your Honor, so they can try to work it out?
We'll set it for, you want to set it for a pre-trial?
A jury pre-trial, you know, get a counsel appointed inlet, because
Right, so I'll set it for a pre-trial on December 13th. You'll have to interview him for that.
yeah,
form.
I'll do the form.
Yeah, but I know you'll have to do it later, so we'll put him back in the waiting room, and then, when we come back, I'll set a jury trial.
And Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303. What are the charges, Your Honor?
Bulk food and meat establishment, failure to obtain license.
And one of the concerns that the people have is using the resources of those who would be indigent versus someone who obviously has their own business.
Well, Ms. Horn, I appreciate your concern, but he doesn't have his own business. I mean, it's not his store. He wasn't. That's his,
Understood.
yeah, he was.
Thank you.
All right, so we'll set it for a pre-trial on December 13th at 8:35.
Thank you.
We'll put you back in the waiting room, Mr. Duran, so that
Okay.
Mr. Roby, you gotta be patient. She'll interview you, and we'll submit the form to see about getting an attorney appointed for you.
Okay, thank you.
And Mr. Clerk.
Can we do one more or no?
Yeah, we can, Mr. Robinson's gonna be a pre-trial date, so if you want to call him, we can do that.
All right, this is the people versus Arthur Robinson, ticket number SP 1114465. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number SP 1131693. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number SP 1188630. Count 1, improper or invalid license. Good morning, please say your name.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Arthur Robinson. Mr. Robinson, can you say your name?
Arthur Robinson.
Your Honor, I did discuss these matters with my client. At this time, he's requesting a pre-trial date.
All right, Mr. Robinson, your pre-trial date is gonna be December 13th at 8:35.
Your Honor, he needs to come into the courtroom to provide his documentation, so that's, he'll be coming in person.
All right, we'll make it
Thank
in person, bring it up.
Thank you. All right, I'll be back shortly.